U.S. jury rules against Bayer in Roundup cancer case. March 19, Reuters. A U.S. jury on Tuesday found Bayer AG's glyphosate-based weed killer to be a substantial. The jury in San Francisco federal court in a unanimous ruling found Roundup, one of the world's most widely used weed killers, to be responsible for the cancer of California resident Edwin Hardeman. It was not yet the case will proceed into a second trial phase before the same jury on Wednesday to determine Bayer's liability and potential damages. During that phase, Hardeman's lawyers can present evidence allegedly showing the company's efforts to influence scientists, regulators, and the public about the safety of its products, which they were not allowed to in the initial phase. Bayer in a statement on Tuesday said it was disappointed with the jury's initial decision. Bayer acquired Monsanto, which makes Roundup. The case was only the second of some 11,200 Roundup lawsuits to go to trial in the United States. Another California Hardeman's case was a so-called bellwether trial intended to help determine the range of damages and define settlement options for the more than 760 Roundup cases consolidated in the federal court in San Francisco. Bayer denies allegations that Roundup, or glyphosate, cause cancer. It says decades of reporting by Jim Christie in San Francisco, editing by Bill Burkett.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.